Friday, everybody. It's about 1300 hours. A little overcast today. Little tiny droplets of rain. Few and far between. Typical Pacific Northwest weather. Comfortable. I found this gem on Facebook Marketplace a couple of days ago, and it's a Kal Tunemaster Kit. Let's open her up and have a look. So here's a ignition output gauge, point dwell tester, a voltage regulator tester. I've never seen any of these. And then starting circuit tester, positive, negative ground, 6 and 12 volts. The test selector can go battery, starter, CBL solenoid. I don't know what the CBL means. And then ground. Oh, CBL cables. I guess it'll show the current that or the draw. And each one of these has a little instructions data plate on the back. Kal Equipment Company, Kalamazoo, Michigan. Oh, that one's missing a hook. No problem. Whether these work or not remains to be seen. And if they don't work, it's a pretty bitchin' display piece. And the thing that goes into the lid is the I can't remember it right now because I'm thinking about 19 things. The timing light. Anyway, I looked online. I could find that for about 35 to 55 bucks depending on condition. And I was pretty thrilled. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.